how to change email on Ubisoft account without email. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the Google Chrome and on the search URL, type in ubisoft.com. Once you get to the official web page of Ubisoft, now make sure you're logged in with your Ubisoft account. Now once you're logged in and you land on this type of interface, now navigate to the top right corner, there is a profile icon. So tap on that profile icon. Now on the next page, you will land on your profile page. From this interface again, tap on account management. That will take you to next page, that is an account management page. Under this account management page, there is an option at the top that is account information. So simply tap on that. Now you will be taken to next page with your account information. There you will get your profile, your username, and then the private information. So in that private information, you will be able to see your email address. Now to change, tap on edit button from that interface. Here you can change your name, you can change your gender or your language, and there are many other options, and you can also add your phone number. Now to change your email address, simply tap on this change button under your email address. Now here it says an email with a link to change your email address will be sent to your current email address. So unfortunately, Ubisoft doesn't allow us to change an email without an existing email. So there is no way out to change an email without an email on Ubisoft. You could only change your email if you have an access with current or existing email. So that's all for today's video, and I hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.